Hello friends, I am Arup and you are watching QTech's YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you what is the best screen recorder for you, and I am still using this software. So this is OBS Studio. As you can see, this is the logo for OBS Studio, and where from you can download it. So let's open Google and search it, OBS Studio download, and click at this link. I'll provide this link in the description, and just click this free download button to download it. Since I have already downloaded it, so I am showing you how to run it. So just click it on, and since I am recording this during this video, so I am showing, you can see this records my screen, and this is the mic. You can see when I talking it is growing up and down. And now sometimes it happens for Windows 10 that this screen does not appear. So to solve this problem, I am showing you the technique. For solving this problem, just search here as graphics settings. This is the graphics settings, and open it. And in your case, you must see that this OBS Studio will be not in there. So what to do is that just click at browse, and then go to this C drive, then go to the program files, then go to the OBS Studio. This is OBS Studio, and then go to the bin 64 bits, and then you find your software. This is the OBS 64 .exe software. Just click it and then add it. This will add this software to there, and you can see this is the OBS Studio. Now what to do is that just click at the option button, and then you can see that for your case this will be chosen the let Windows decide, but you have to choose this either this power saving or this high performance. But in most of the case, if you record your screen in the case you are playing a game, or you are editing with any software, then don't choose it, because for that software uh, high performance graphics also be used, and if you have not so much graphics card, then it will create a problem. So just stay with this power saving mode, and then press save to save it, and then open it. I think your problem will be solved, and you can see just like this. And for to show you that how to record with it, click here, just right click on here in this section, and click add. Then this is the display capture. This will basically capture or record your screen, and after clicking this, you can see this like display capture, and you also see that here mic will become in here. You can also add logo or multiple things during the video course, such as I am showing you that I am adding an image to this. So I am letting this name as image, and okay, let's browse. So this is editing, and this is logo. Let's put this logo to the video. So I am clicking open, then okay. So you can see this is the logo coming to this video. So this will be very helpful for video streaming also. If you are an YouTuber, then this will be helpful for you to paste this image here, and this is the option to start the streaming. You can see also another video for this streaming, but I am just talking about the problem in Windows 10, which are basically produced due to the opening of this software in Windows 10. I think that it will be helpful for you. Thank you. Subscribe this channel to get the regular updates from Pewtex. Thank you.